Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to our channel. So for today's video tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how to download TikTok videos without Watermark. So to do that, we'll have to have an app called SnapTalk. So SnapTalk app allows you to download TikTok videos without a watermark. So to start, we'll have to go first on my TikTok account. And then here, we'll have to choose a video. And then after choosing a video, let's click on this share icon at the right bottom part of my screen. And then after that, you will be redirected to this option. So let's just tap on copy link. And then after copying the link, we can now go to SnapTalk app. So here on the SnapTalk app, we'll just have to paste the link. And then after that, tap on download now. And then let's just wait for a little for the video to be downloaded. So after downloading, let's just go to my gallery. And then here in my gallery, as you can see, the video has no watermark. So that's how easy you can download TikTok videos without a watermark. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any comments or questions, please do comment it down below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will always be updated with our new uploads. Thank you, and I'll see you all on our next video.